So the truth is, the only thing people who don't know me can say about me is that I have a baby for Vybz Kartel, and they're mad about it. And they
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing's set, but bless. You also know the story incomplete, made it up on the beat, and as you can see, pan on the screen. Yeah, people, it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss the thing, because I want bagger and I want, you know. But let's just kick it off with figure it out, because me not gonna lie to them. Me done the tell and say them boy, yeah, I want big liar, and then them use Rose for fortune and fame. As you can see, his sister came out and exposed that him and Akeem is not brothers, and the mother business and all them foolishness there, you know. As you can see, they send that in from all along, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, his sister come out and I spill bare things, so I'm have to come out board with him receipts and all this stuff. So let's hear what go on for not to go on, and we proceed with the next.
Mother, because I say, yes, my mother, me know how them people are stay. Next thing I hear said this, that, me no want nobody. I said, then give me no money if you give me mother. See, you know what I do, bro? Me go in on my account and take me own money out of my pocket and send go girl. Wanna show me the screen recording when me figure it out, come live and tell the people themselves to give me money for pay my mother surgery. Me never do that. Me come ask the people them for pray for me, bro. I ask you a prayer. Me never ask nobody for give me no money towards nothing. Me ask them for come pray for me. And me I get bring down faith. Me ask them for come pray for my mother. You see me? Bro told me feel weak and frustrated. Me don't know what to do that. Me click my live and me say, guys, me a beg you know. Just a small prayer for me old lady. Forget her back on her foot. That's all me a beg you know, a small prayer. Nobody me not inbox. Nobody wanna wait and ask them for $1. A Barbados me there right now. With my first, with my second mom. And me say me there go look for she next week. And me nah bother go nowhere, you know. Me nah bother go nowhere. Because apparently you don't like me. Me nah bother go nowhere. Me just want to know you get the money and you go alright. Me nah bother go nowhere. Me just want to know you get the money. All the thing me can do, I pray for you. And ask my supporters them for pray for you. But me nah go nowhere. Me I go back to my yard. Straight to Jamaica me I go back. Me nah go nowhere. Supposed to be my family, bro. And they on social media rings me in the dirt. And supposed to be, bro. When I see screen recording them with my own mother come on social media and say, I ball in a bro. I could even come on my life, come crying, and I have to just ball it off and build a big head spliff and smoke it, you know. Before me even come right and say, you know. My own mother tell people. Because what? My sister on a favorite. So anything my sister do, run along. Me say, girl, let's see if you wasn't my sister. Oh God, man. I true me grow with principles. Make me not come this your blood clot like how me see in a comment section of this me. My own a sister. I rub me under the dirt. My own a sister. My own a sister. I rub me like I made it tell you if you fuck up your life. Yeah? I made it tell you say no come out to nothing good in your life. You all want to look down upon me and think the worst of me. And defy the odds and break the chain. And break the curse on and put upon me and make something out of nothing. Me even tell my mother to them. Me even tell mommy to them. I say, mommy, listen to me now, man. Me not really business about nothing else. Me just want to know say your health alright. And if you know say you're on the phone and talk to me now, man. Knowing say you're going to somebody live. Knowing say you go in a somebody life, you're not even draw me one away and say, my son, you know I do this and I should do that. Me have to, people have to send me screen recording because you're there same way. I talk to me normal and I move like say everything good. People have to send me screen recording with you. If me never see it more that thing say everything good same way and I mean that to that still a talk. Because you know what you do. I ain't say nothing to me. I did that with you and then I fret and I kill up myself over your health same way. I not even say my son, you know say yo, me go this and I say this and I say that and I should do that. Because at the end of the day you give me the money and everything and you understand what I say? But everything good man. I learn you know. Enough. Remember me tell you that. Me? Enough bro. Enough. You hear? Enough. Enough, me enough. Remember me tell you that, but mommy, I hope my sister take care of you and do what she supposed to do. You see, since I share your favorite, and me a liar, and me a the worst, and me this and that, make she take over. Yeah, man. Are your favorite? And me are the worst. Me a liar, me this and me that and me rare. Make Rona do it. Make she take over. Me, done. That me I tell you. Me, done. Make my sister do it. Me love you. Nothing can change that, but me done. Anything I want, make my sister do it. I love you, my mother. I'm not come on my social media, come bring it down. But you should have never dear son that. You should have never dear son that. I love you, I would have never come violate your mommy. You're crazy. Or you raise me and bring me come here. But you should have never done me that. You should have never done me that as my mother. When the whole world against me, you supposed to have my back same way. You supposed to the one where me can run to and talk to and cry to and vent to, and you against me with the rest of the world. I don't nobody else. You see me? I'm in a business when I know, and that's why I put Akeem first, because I'm not doing that. And that's why I put my brother first, because him not doing that, bro. Him not doing that, dog. You see why my loyalty there with that man right there, so I'm in a business where none of you want to say. Because him not doing that, bro. He not do me that, dog. You're my mother, and look what you do me. And your sister social media been a pressure me, bro. Your sister me can barely manage social media sometime, and you contribute with me haters them and bring me down. Bro, are the worst betrayal me ever get in my life. Right now, no cut me when I say no blood. Are the worst betrayal that me ever get in my life, youth. You know it feel to be the one when nobody not like. And you work so hard for them approve you. And even when you reach a point in a life, them still quick to betray you. You know hard more work to get my mother approval, bro. Because my mother never to rate me. I'm going to say it again. Me work hard to get that woman the approval from. And I still can bring me down. Everything good, man. I grow you now, you know. I grow you now. I'm gonna mirror people that tell me, say, yo, your mother in a box. And your mother, I say, when I stop tell lie about my mother sick. When my mother forget time in a box, I tell people about me a liar and thing. Mommy supposed to be in the hospital. And bro, when I see screen recording with the youth I play, my heart hurt me in a dog. My heart hurt me in a bro. My heart hurt me in a dog. Oh God, man. Oh God, bro. I see my own mother because I know her voice, you know. I'm a mother. I know my mother's voice. You see what I say? Bro, I don't care what my sister wants to say. I care less about her. But when I hear my own mother on voice note, my heart hurt me out. My heart hurt me, dog. My mom say, not even she, friend called me, $4,000 TT for do the surgery. You see me? I don't understand what the fuck is TT. Me don't know what that. Me don't know what TT dollar. You see it? I research. And I look on Google. And she say, yo, rare TT, I want different rare TT. I see it there. Me go up on Google, calculate it, and I the exact me say. And show the feed it off a pay out it. That's class. I myself me a zoom up. See there? 3,800 and add. TT dollar, Trinidad and Tobago. I don't come live and say I never send $1 yet. I never send $1 yet. I lie me, I tell her I never do nothing for you. Fine, no problem. Heart of love. Fine, no problem. Heart of love. And oh no, we not even know nothing. Go in a box. Oh, figure it out and scam people 5. Where did I tell Uno say 5,000 US? Eh? When me did tell you that, what the screen recording there? But you see, Uno, oh God, man. Oh God, man. Me say me glad me is a boy we have receipt, you know. Me glad me is a boy we have receipt. Suppose me ain't have that. Yo, that ear say me a liar. Suppose me never have that. Yo, that ear say me a liar. Me hear man a say me come live and me a scam people. I ask money for do my mother surgery. Bro, no wicked over here in a dog. Oh no wicked over here in a my youth. You know some set of evil people and you know say my family them will understand and know how the thing go. Make the people them drown out and come social media and this me too. One thing me know, you know, I'm not gonna want help again. I'm not gonna want help. Yeah? Everything good, man. I feel used and I feel betrayed. But watch you know, I not complain. I not complain, you know. I not complain, bro. Cause guess what go on here? See when I dip on the way for greatness, them things are gonna go on, bro. Me expect the unexpected. Nowadays, to all life I work, bro. Me expect anything from everybody. You see me? You have to expect the unexpected. All we expect for dead fear now go dead. A certain set, bro. You have to cry. If you have cry, you cry. If you have vent, you vent. If you have wipe your tears, you wipe your tears, bro. A certain set, my dog. You see it? Because if you're there on your way for greatness, you know, and everybody love you, you know, you do something wrong, you know. Bad days like this are gonna happen. Down times like this are gonna happen. But, bro,
Yep, as usual, I'm not buying what these people are selling. You see, some people, if you ask me, the whole of them are scam. From the mama to the papa to the picnic to the youths, them. You see me? Put in the comment section where you think about that. Just give me a quick update on Jake's estates. He is making quite progress, you see me? But we'll get to that another time. You see me? Let's get into Vybz Kartel, baby mother answering these people in her comment section who she think is Shorty on a fake page. You see me? I tell her to pull up on all of them things. Yeah, things they get kind of spicy, you know, because the people that is upset with her as well for being, you know, a baby mom to one of the richest person and famous person in the world. You see me? So let's hear what go on for them to go on and proceed to the next.
Hold on. Crosses. Mind for my money, Yama. You know, I'm really petty. And I prayed not to be distracted, but sometimes I just want class when you say. But because I know what y'all doing, y'all try to talk shit to get me to say shit, to screen record and then splice and put some clickbait thingy. That's what you have to do to make money. I mean, how sad. But anyways. Okay, so let me vibe with y'all a little bit. Let's talk about something fun. What y'all want to talk about? Line up, man, your shape good. You see, them are just like me now. Them are just like me now. They're just like me. Oh, am I the only one, honey? Them are pre 1, 2, 3. Am I the only one, sweetheart? You want to screen record this? I'm going to something to screen record. Am I the only one? No, I won't block her. I won't block her, honey. No, I promise you I won't block her. I won't block her. I won't block her. Because you know what happened? When people are sad, they're insecure, they're unhappy, they're probably even depressed. So what they do now, they look for people like me who's a happy soul and project all of that insecurity, all of that negativity, all of that sadness onto me. I won't block her. And that's another thing, more baby. That's another thing. They're wondering how I do it. And then they don't understand. And it stresses them out. Oh, that's what you think? Oh God. Poor thing. Poor thing. Okay, create another page, honey, because I'm going to have to block you now. Because, you see, I want to answer you, but... So let me block you. So create another page, weirdo. Hi, Chrissy. Her grandmother was a pastor. This girl is under the covenant of God. They don't even know. They don't even know. And people so weird. I think what happened when I go live, I think what happened, you have a few fake pages because they'll never be brave enough to use their real page. So what they do, they say something because they know how I am. Not that I'm triggered, but because I'm just me, and I just think if you say something, I'm gonna answer you because that's just how I am. And I was saying to my friend the other day, how she's, if something bothers her, she'll just keep it. No, me, I'm gonna ask you, say, hey Mo, come here, where y'all going so far? Because that's how I am. I can't keep it. If one of my staff do something, I'm not going to keep it and up in my face. I'm going to say, hello, why were you late? You never think you should have called and see you're going to be late. Like, I'm going to address it. That's how I am. So when they say the things them know, because of how I am, I'm going to just answer. I'm not bothered, I'm not triggered, but I'm just going to answer because that's just how I am. So when they say some weird shit now, you can meet me at the party. Shop 16 1 Malines Road. I share that location every day. I share it so who want to come support can come. Who have a problem with me can come. Natalie, I'm thirsty. Yes, I don't go live on my business page because these people, they don't have no limit and they don't know when to stop, when not to. Hello, Elder. Going to answer. Stacy, baby, I love you. And Stacy, I have to answer them. Because Stacy, these people get on here and they make a fuss about why do they hate Shericka so much? Because I have a daughter who is already 18 years old by a man who wanted to have a baby with me. I was young. What's the problem? Get over it. It can't change. It cannot be undone. Cookie, she's alright, man. The mixed fiber here has scratched her neck and then she acting like it's my fault. It's not my fault. Why don't you block that man? Which man? Somebody else needs to get blocked. What's the name? Type the name because I'm in that mood today to block. I think about 130,000 people follow me. And if I can cut it down to maybe 10,000 genuine people, I'll do that. That's a cause the problem in a Lulu. Sean what? Sean, say something again, honey, so I can block you. The people want me to block you because apparently you're talking shit, but I'm not really looking, you know? What is he saying, y'all? Them two know. Why block me and I'm not saying anything disrespectful? Y'all, Sean said he's been nice. I don't need to block him. Sean think I'm Match.com this. So Sean wants to bring out the girl. Sean, you're not afraid? What is wrong with you? Cookie Posh? None. You understand? None, baby girl. He said, would you have more kids? I have about 7 more on the way, Sean. But Sean, why you want to know personal questions, Sean? I have about 7 more and Lulu have about 3. So 10 more coming. The shoes. Man, know you talk about shoes for the live, you know? Let me go find some shoes. Witness, she don't even get day offs because guess what happened? I'm always out of the goddamn country. Tell her to her face. Right? Like some of the time I travel, I don't even post anything at all. Shorty think Shasha. Lulu, you need to come in here. You don't need to be on live on a sale. Anything about Gaza, I will love it. Big up Queen. You know, I did tell God, say God, I'm going to go live and I'm not going to reply to anybody who is sad. But you know why I talk to these people when they I know they're sad and they're going through stuff, and I don't want them to hurt themselves. So that is why I give them what they want. They want to talk to me. They want to hear me. They need my attention. So I'm doing the Lord's work. I'm doing the Lord's work. When people are crying for help, we need to focus on them. This thing here with the fake YSL, the mixed fiber here, she's screaming for help. So I'm doing the Lord's work. And while I'm here, I want to tell y'all, I know life isn't the easiest, and I know life is probably not what we expected it to be, but you see when those days come that you feel like this isn't it, or when you start feeling too stressed, or when you feel like you want to end it all, when those thoughts come, if you're not in the position to get professional help, try and talk to somebody. Even me, DM me, talk to me. I have a bunch of people who reach out to me time to time and express to me what they're going through. You have people who are helped through things. You have one day a young man came up here breathless for a minute. I was scared. Before my assistant opened the door, I said, hold on, let me fix myself, because what the hell is happening? If you know, you know. But yeah, because how he was coming and breathless and he said want to talk to me, I was like, whoa, what's happening? And he said to me earlier that day, I think he said I posted a story. I posted something on my story, and he said just before he was scrolling on Instagram, just seeing a bunch of stuff, he came off, he went back on, and then he saw my story because he follows me, and he said my story was what made him decide not to end his life, and he thanks me for that message. It was just a story I posted. I have other people who will reach out to me and we do talk, and when I saw the guy coming, he came up the stairs, because I can see how my camera is, I can see from the road both ends, side of the building. So you let me tell y'all, and I see him coming up the stairs, and because my stairs at the end, I'm looking, and before my assistant decided to buzz the door, I said, hold on girl, hold on, don't open yet. And then I told her when to open. When I opened the door, when she opened the door, he said he wants to talk to me, and I said okay. And I said, what's happening? And he said, Shericka, it's because of you. I said, because of me what? What's happening? And he said this morning he was gonna take his life, and because of a story I posted, made him didn't do it. And maybe about a month down the line, I had traveled, because I'm always traveling, to the girl in the mixed fiber here. I came back, and then he came and he said, you remember me? And he told me he got a job and he's doing well, and he met friends and all of that, and he's very much alive. And he said, and time to time he'll just send me a DM. He doesn't have my number. He'll send me a DM and just say he's saying hi and letting me know he's okay. And I told him, whenever you need to talk, if you ever feel like that again, I'm here. And there are times when I pray, I do remember him, and I say God, and I include him in my prayer. You have other people who go through things. You have other people who go through things not necessarily mentally, but just in their real life, things that they have to put up with, that they're not happy with, but they can do better. And I find myself that I encourage them and I talk to them, and I'm just that person. So the truth is, the only thing people who don't know me can say about me is that I have a baby for Vybz Kartel, and they are mad about it, and they act as if I'm the only one who have a baby for the man. The child is 18. Y'all gonna have to find a way to get over that shit. But outside of that, what else can y'all say about me? You know what I mean? I'm gonna trouble people. I'm super kind to people all the time. I don't treat people bad. There are things I do that I don't post. Oh, perfect. Ooh. Oh, perfect. Can you bring a straw from my desk, please? I need to have eyes. How perfect. I work extremely hard. I have a child that I'm fully responsible for that I didn't give birth to. Let me not speak on too much things, but just so you know, there's purpose on my life. So, and that's why it shows on me, it shows in my skin, it shows everywhere. Because I'm blessed. Oh hell, I need to drink this juice, so I'm gonna have to remove my retainer. So I'll talk to you all later. I'm gonna come back live later. I'm in a good mood today. I say I didn't go on too bad. I didn't let y'all stress me out too much. See? See? I can listen. But remember, if you need to ship stuff from anywhere in the world,
it look like say a big series are going, you know, but one thing for sure is one burner done is in action. People will not go longer, this no longer, you know. Do the right thing and subscribe to my channel, like, share my videos, them, and hit the notification bell and press all. Therefore you'll be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Please.